This is Justin Case of American Newscape, joining our friend and book wrangler, Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Thank you so much, and happy Thanksgiving this week.
Yeah, it is going to be Thanksgiving, and for that we're thankful for you. So, that being said, what's happening at our libraries?
Well, we do have some holiday closures coming up, but there are still events happening at our Yuma County libraries. This Monday at 6 p.m., the Yuma Yarnaholics will be getting together yet again for all things crafting, knitting, and otherwise yarn related. And the great thing about this group is not only do our experienced crafters come together and work on projects, you can also wander in as a complete novice, and you will find a very welcoming group of people to help you learn the basics. So if you want to learn to knit or crochet, they'll even have some supplies to show you, to help you get started. And then once you're comfortable with it, you can buy your own supplies and take on more advanced projects. But it's just a friendly group, a great camaraderie, I would say, whether you're a beginner or an experienced yarn crafter.
Is this a new group, or is it because I remember Yarn Over Yuma, correct?
That group used to meet at our Foothills library, yes. So we have had yarn enthusiasts meeting at libraries in the past.
Well, that's good. Let's get Yarn Over Yuma back at it in the Foothills. So, all right, Sarah.
All right. I'll pass it on.
Okay. What else?
Well, on Tuesday, we have an event for teens coming up at our Somerton Library. They will be hosting Ozobot races, and we've talked about this a couple of times before. Ozobots are the little kind of mouse-sized robots that are very easy to program, and you actually make race courses for them using these special markers and some coding. And so it's a great way to learn some simple coding, and the kids have lots of fun racing their Ozobots and seeing who can finish the maze first. So a little fun, a little education, all library.
All library. It's an Ozobot Appalooza.
There you go. Oh, patent pending. That's a good
one.
There
you go. All right. What else, Sarah?
Well, last but not least, this Saturday at our main library, we have our Artist Club meeting again, and we should actually call it our mini Artist Club because it's for the littles, and they meet in the children's area the fourth Saturday of each month. Every month they learn about a different artist and a little bit about the artist's style, and then they actually have a little project or craft to create in that artist style. So they're learning a little bit about famous artists throughout the years, and then having a chance to create some of their own art inspired by that artist style.
Okay, that's exciting in itself. So with that being said, this has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today is the day to subscribe to this channel. And please support book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere. And please have a happy Thanksgiving.